In order to take a partial or selective screenshot on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, you can simply use 3 fingers. Press and hold 3 fingers anywhere on the screen, and after that you can select the area that you want to capture. We can draw a shape and that will be captured. Of course, after selecting the area, you can start over again if you want to do so. You can also use different shapes before you start selecting the area, and you can see these white lines and corners, so you can use them in order to adjust the selected area. We also have editing option, and of course, once you are done with the partial screenshot, you can just simply save it. Now, in addition to that, of course, this gesture can be enabled or disabled. So essentially you want to go to settings, scroll down to additional settings, then go to gesture shortcuts, and over here we have partial screenshot, so you can make sure that this option is enabled. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.